There are a few recipes that never fail to tickle your taste buds, and Dal Pakwan is a perfect example for this category. So first I'm going to start with making the dal. A little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add some cumin seeds, finely chopped onions. Saute them for a few seconds. Finely chopped ginger, just a little bit. Finely chopped green chillies. Saute them for a few seconds. Next, I'm going to add some chana dal or gram dal that I've soaked for an hour. Add all the dry spices now. Amchur or raw mango powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt to taste, water, not too much water, just enough for the dal to soak. Don't put too much of the masalas because this dal has to be a little bland because we're going to serve it with some nice tamarind chutney and the pakwans. Cover it and let this cook for 2 whistles on high flame, and that's it. Turn off the flame. The cooker is cooling down, and now I'm going to quickly make the pakwans. I've already made the dough for it. For that, I've used some plain flour or all-purpose flour, oil, some cumin seeds and water, and just a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to start rolling them. Just a nice soft dough. I'm going to make mini pakwans. So for that, I'm going to make small balls of this dough. I'm going to start rolling a few. Apply a little bit of oil onto the board and the rolling pin. Roll it into thin pakwans. And I'm also going to cut it with this lid. I'm going to prick the pakwan a little bit so that it doesn't swell up like a puri. Then I'm going to roll the remaining ones. And now I'm going to fry these pakwans on low heat. Make sure it's entirely submerged under the oil. Fry them till you get a nice golden brown color. Let's get this one out. All the pakwans are fried and ready. I'm going to check on the dal now. This is ready. I'm just going to add a little bit of coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. I'm going to remove it in this bowl. I'm going to assemble one dal pakwan for you. Nice and thick dal. A little bit of sweet tamarind chutney on top of it. Garnish with a little bit of red chilli powder, cumin seed powder, finely chopped onions, and some coriander leaves. A delicious plate of Dal Pakwan can be a great culinary start to a day. Comment below, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.